Next topic asked by student, I think Navigesh asked, that is abolition of slavery. The unwillingness of European to go and work in the colonies in the Caribbean, which were important suppliers of commodities such as tobacco, indigo, sugar, coffee, and created a shortage of labor. So Europeans, French people or British people, they are not ready to work physically, especially in Caribbean area, from where they was depend on many things, which all things, tobacco, sugar, like that, many things what is there needed in for daily activities. And they are starting, instead of their work, what they are thinking are they started plantations, and they face a shortage of labor. So to solve that shortage of labor, what they are doing, they are starting slave trade, and they are collecting slaves, those who are ready to work for the European countries of, and they are collecting like that people from different continent, especially from African continent, and taking them to American continent, that is means the Caribbean area, and getting their work in Caribbean area. And how they are making that one, they are bringing them as a slaves. That means they are collecting slaves, the people, those who are really poor, those who are in need of work or livelihood, like that people, getting with the help of local chieftain of that area, local people of that area, they are helping Europeans to collect slaves. Then branded and shackled, the slaves were packed tightly into ship for 3 months long a voyage across the Atlantic to Caribbean. That time and all the ship speed, now also we can see that one ship speed is not that much. So what they was doing, they was packing them very tightly, many people together, and taking to Atlantic, crossing the Atlantic Ocean and taking to Caribbean area. There they were sold to plantation owners, and these trading people, business people, what they are doing, they are selling them to whom? Plantation owners. The exploitation of the slave labor made it possible to meet the growing demand of European market for sugar, coffee, and indigo. So Europeans, they was in need of sugar, coffee, and indigo and all. With the help of these slaves, they started to get it, or they met their demand. Then port cities like Bordeaux and Nantes of their economic prosperity to flourishing slave trade. The port cities, it is developing, some of the port cities it is developing, especially in France, because of slave trade. Because of slave trade it is developing, because of slave trade, because many people and they are coming to the port area to collect the slaves. Then National Assembly held a long debate. See, National Assembly, they are not taking the decision very faster, like our government, means the democratic government, they are taking time, long time, and they conducted debates and discussions about whether the rights of man should be extended to all French subjects, including those in the colonies. So France, they given the rights of the citizen or rights of man, but they was debating about want to give to other people, those who are living in colonies, those who are there in Africa or those who are there in American colonies, they want to get or not. That was the debate. But it did not pass any laws, fearing opposing from the business people. So business people, surely they will oppose, because that was the one of the best sale or the method to earn money, especially to big business people. So the National Assembly never taken any decision, even though they was suggesting like that no privilege should give to anybody according to birth. If, this group, this business group, that they are from third estate itself, and they was the major members of making the National Assembly or making constitution. The next one, Jacobean regime, means the Jacobean club they formed, as a political club they formed in 1794. Then when they came as a rulers, after National Assembly, Jacobeans coming as a rulers, political parties they are or political associations, they are becoming rulers in France according to constitution or election, means active members, they are electing them, and they are they abolished the slavery. So French colonies also stopped the slavery trade. However, 10 years later, when Napoleon came and he reintroduced that slavery system. So it is taken in 1794 and 1804, when Napoleon came after 10 years, it is reintroduced. Then slavery, it is abolished in French colonies after 1848. Rest of the things you will study in 10th standard. So this is the concept, the slave trade, or how the slave trade started. Triangle trade, we have seen that triangle slave trade we have seen. This is European continent and this is Africa. From Africa they are collecting the slaves and taking to American continent, especially into the Caribbean area. Who is doing that one? European people coming to Africa, collecting slaves and taking to America, and they are getting the better product. So it stopped first in 1794 with the Jacobean Club and reintroduced by Napoleon, and at the end 1848 it totally abolished in French colonies.